Welcome to class 3, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about living and non-living things. The world in which we live is very beautiful. There are many things around us. See this picture. Here we can see many living as well as non-living things. Just try to name few of them. Ta-da! Yes, living things. Things that have life in them are called living things. Some of the examples are a man, a woman, sweet kids like you. Look around and find out some more people who are connected to you, and we all are humans. Plants, right? We must grow many plants in our house. They all are living things. And a puppy or a dog or a cat, all animals, they are all living things, and we must never hurt them. Let's know about the features of living things. Look around, observe the plants and animals and other human beings, and try to find out what are the features which they have. Yes, they can move. You can move from one place to other on your own, right? Yes, you can feel. You feel a pinch or a prick. Does a table feel it? Also observe if that table grows bigger day by day, just like this pup growing into a dog. No, right? So living things grow. They also reproduce. Reproduce means producing another one of the same kind, like a cow reproduces a calf. They all breathe. Living things like us breathe to live. We all need food and water to live, to stay healthy and to grow. Lovely picture, isn't it? Now let's know more about non-living things. Things that do not have life in them are called non-living things. La la la. Some examples on non-living things are a car, a ball, books, a house. They all are non-living things. Find out more around you. Now, the non-living things which are either made by nature or by humans. So, two kinds of non-living things are one, which are made by nature, that are called natural non-living things like water, soil, stones, and can you find out more? Another one are man-made non-living things like house, car. Let's get some idea about natural non-living things. Things which are not made by man are called natural non-living things. The examples are moon, cloud, water, stones, mountains, etc. So sun and cloud are there. Just give me some more examples. You all are so intelligent. Just try some more. Okay, water, that's very nice, correct? Yes, keep on looking around. Mountain, very good. Soil, very nice. And stones, these all are non-living things and natural non-living things. Now we'll study about man-made non-living things. The word itself says things which are man-made are called man-made non-living things. And some of the examples are building, vehicles, toys, clothes, shoes, furnitures, etc. Now again it's your turn to look around and find out more examples. Okay, house is there, a ball is there, toys. Yes, you have so many toys at home and they all are man-made non-living things. A chair, a laptop, a bike or a vehicle, and your stationery, bags, books, pencils, they all are non-living things. Have you bought new ones? Now there is an activity for you. Make it, enjoy it and learn.